Most sellers waste thousands of hours managing and optimizing their Amazon ads. In this video, I'll show you a tool that can automatically optimize your bids, create campaigns in bulk, and even find out the exact time when it's best to run your Amazon ads. You can save time and make more money. Let me show you in today's video. Okay, so we have my favorite tool, which is Helium 10 right here, and we have the dashboard when you log into Helium 10, and then you can go to Tools, Helium 10 Ads. So they have this new advertising platform. It makes it a lot easier to manage your ads, but the biggest thing is it has AI integrated. So while you're sleeping, it's optimizing your ads, it's monitoring your ads, it's seeing when is the best time to run your ads, and it can optimize your bids to make sure you're saving money and meeting your ACoS or ROAS goal, right? So you can see our ACoS right now is about 25%, but what if we want to get this to 20%? How do we do that? And maybe it's not running ads at night. Maybe all of our ads make sales in the morning. How do we know that? We have to pull reports, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of data, and is a full-time job. That's why it's great to use an AI tool to help us, especially Helium 10. Also, there's a link in the description for a free trial or a discount if you wanted to try it out. But let's check it out. So they've got an account overview right here, and you can go to the dashboard, and it's going to show you your clicks, your ROAS. You can check out all of your campaigns, sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display, TV. Again, you can open up one of the campaigns, and you can edit one of the campaigns. So if I click open right here, this is just one of the campaigns we're running. You can also see the budget and change it all in here. Dynamic bids. It's so much cleaner than Amazon pretty much. But this is a great bid strategy. This is where their AI comes in. And you can put if you want more impressions or if you want to hit a target ACoS. So you can actually say, hey, look, I want this to be 20% ACoS, not 30%. And it's going to help you bring that down using AI's algorithm, right? Or if you want to maximize orders, right? Great for a liquidating stage. You want to have as many orders as possible. You can click on this. Or if you want to have your own custom rule, right? So each ad could be different. One of them, maybe you're just researching keywords. Another one, you're trying to have just target ACoS. Another one, you're trying to make as many orders as possible, right? So it really depends on what you want. And this is a great way. But one of the easiest ways to optimize your ads is just to go to your ad manager. This is pretty much the game changer tool. And it's just to optimize your bid. So all you do is literally just come here, and it has all of your ads here. And then and you can select it by portfolio if you want. So you can do a drop down of all your portfolios that are organized. But all you're going to do is just click bid automation. And while you're sleeping, it's going to find out maybe at nighttime the bids are supposed to be cheaper because there's less people clicking, or there's just less people on Amazon that's running ads. So you can turn on bid automation and then put your target ACoS. So let's say I want my ACoS to be 20%. I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to turn on bid automation. And then now it's AI is going to go through everything and see, okay, when are we getting clicks? When are we not getting clicks? When are clicks the most expensive? And then they're going to be turning off our ads during that time or optimizing our bids during that time, right? We can also create rules, minimum and maximum bid. We can have a different rule. Are we trying to get ACoS, impressions, or max orders, right? So we can do a lot of different things in here. Optimize our daily budget, our current budget utilization, all that stuff right into here, which is pretty awesome. Now you can create rules and automation, right? And they have training on here, so you can learn, and you can have a lot of different trainings on how to use this tool. So this tool is going to make your life so much easier, mainly just because of the bid automation, and it's going to help you meet your ACoS. A robot is, so that's going to make it a lot easier. Check out your analytics. Once you run ads for a while, it's going to have different suggestions. Here is a great way to create campaigns in bulk. So you can click product goal, and you can say, let's say the goal name is sales, right? This is for new advertisers. This is for experience. Let's say you're new. You can come here, total budget $100, add your product, and it's going to help you find keywords, and then it's going to help you launch a campaign in bulk. So another way to create campaigns. Once you start running ads for a while and it's monitoring it, it can help with suggestions, right? Like new keywords to add, different budgets, bids, negative keywords. So the more you run it, the smarter it gets, and the more it understands when are your customers online, when are they clicking. Maybe they're only buying on the weekends, so it's going to double your bids on the weekends, and on the weekdays it's going to be a lot cheaper. So that way you are showing up first. All the changes it's doing, right? So we can see any changes that it's done, all the reporting. So again, just a great overall tool to test out and see how it does with optimizing your campaigns. And depending on your Helium 10 plan, it could be included in your plan. So you might as well test it out instead of while you're sleeping and knowing that there's an automation going on where it's not messing up your listings and somebody doesn't make a mistake when a robot's on top of this, making sure you're hitting your ACoS goals and you're not going over, you're always going under. So again, check it out. If you haven't tried it before, you might as well test out different AI tools, especially the ones where you can manage yourself. The ones that are completely hands-off, you might want to be wary because you might not be able to edit things, but this one is hands-on. And it's a lot easier to use than the Amazon advertising platform. That's it for today's video. Do you manually manage your PPC campaigns or do you use automation? What's been your experience? Share it in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full Amazon advertising management service. This is what will manage your ads. We'll also implement tools. We'll help you create your own campaigns and manage all of the AI campaigns as well. So that way your ad spend is going down and your ACoS is going down. So that way your sales are going up. A lot of benefits to this service because we have a lot of tools and we have training in all of the tools and we have a specific advertising team. So we can help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.